हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बीए सिक्स सेमेस्टर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के फर्स्ट पेपर में के एन दारूवाला द्वारा लिखे द अनरेस्ट ऑफ डिजायर पोएम के ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन। तो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट है, इन विच ईयर वाज के एन दारूवाला बॉर्न। तो इसका आंसर होगा 1937। सेकेंड, दूसरा है के एन दारूवाला वाज बॉर्न एट आंसर इज लोनी बुरहानपुर इन लाहौर। थर्ड है, हु वॉज के एन दारूवाला's फादर, what was he? आंसर इज एन सी दारूवाला, an eminent professor at Loni Institute of Literature. Six, write the name and year of के एन दारूवाला फर्स्ट बुक ऑफ वर्स। आंसर इज अंडर ओरियन। फिर फाइव है, write the name of के एन दारूवाला फर्स्ट नोवेल। तो आंसर इज फॉर पेपर एंड क्राइस्ट। Answer is, in which year and for which book K.K. N. Daruvala was awarded prestigious Sahitya Academy Award? तो answer is 1984 for his book The Keeper of the Dead. Seven, in which subject and from which university K.K. N. Daruvala obtained his master degree? Answer is in English literature from Government College Ludhiana, University of Punjab. 8. Name of the K.K. and Daruwala's book for verse for which he was given Uttar Pradesh State Award in 1972. Answer is Appreciation in April. 9. In which year K.N. Daruwala received Commonwealth Poetry Prize for Asia? Answer is 1987. 10. Who praised K.K. Daruwala with these words? Daruwala has the energy of the lion. Answer is Nazim Ezekiel. 11. Name the newspaper in which Daruwala wrote a regular column on international affairs from 1995 to 2000. Answer is the Economic Time. 12. Name K.K. Daruwala any two books of verse. Answer is The Keeper of the Dead and Summer of Tiger. 11. Name the country for which Daruwala was selected for the team of Commonwealth observers to oversee the historic electrons. Answer is Zimbabwe in 1980. 14. Kyoto and line from K.K. and Daruwala poem The Unrest of Desire, showing him as a poet of human psychology. The answer is The Unrest of Desire in Lit Up with Eyes. 15. Which line in K.K. and Daruwala poem The Unrest of Desire presents his knowledge of ancient history? The answer होगा and turn the drives into Aborigine art. 16. Which line in K.K. and Daruwala's poem The Unrest of Desire is repeated more than any other lines? Answer is however you bury the shadow in the heart. 17 है, who choose the year in which K.K. and Daruwala received prestigious Sahitya Academy Award for Literature 1984. 18. Choose the name of Daruwala's historical novel which was shortlisted in 2010 for the Commonwealth Fiction Prize for UK and Asia. Answer is For Paper and Christ. 19. Choose the name of the collection of works in which K.N. Daruwala poem The Unrest of Desire was published. Answer is A Keeper of the Dead. 20. How many sections Daruwala's collection of works The Keeper of the Dead? Answer is 3. 21. In which section of the K.N. Daruwala's collection of verse The Keeper of the Dead, his poem The Unrest of Desire appeared? The answer is second section, The Unrest of Desire. 22. Thematically, K.N. Daruwala's poem The Unrest of Desire represents his answer is experience of investigation. 23 है, number of total stanzas in K.N. Daruwala's poem The Unrest of Desire are 3. आंसर होगा इसका 3. Which two animals 24 है, which two animal names are used in K.N. Daruwala's poem The Unrest of Desire? The answer is bison and stag. 25. What type of art is referred in the Daruwala's poem The Unrest of Desire? The answer is Aborigine art. 26. Who composed the poem The Unrest of Desire? Answer is Keki and Daruwala. 27. Keki and Daruwala is a retired police officer. 28 है के ये क्या थे? रिटायर्ड पुलिस ऑफिसर थे. 28 है के and Daruwala, a first book of verse in answer is Under Orion. 29 KK and Daruwala's third book of verse is answer is Crossing of Rivers. 30. Choose the name of the collection of verse for which K and Daruwala's received Commonwealth Poetry Prize for Asia. Answer is Landscape. 31 है choose the date when K and Daruwala joined the National Mission of Minorities as a member. तो answer is 3rd February 2011. 2011. 32 K and Daruwala's poetry is answer is therapeutic. 33 as a poet K and Daruwala's is permanently a landscapist. Landscapist. 34 which of the following factors influenced K and Daruwala's most? Answer is his profession as police officer. 35 how many poems are there in second section of The Keeper of the Dead? तो आंसर है सेकंड सेक्शन में 7 हैं. 36 number of total lines in K and Daruwala's poem The Unrest of Desire are 15. 15 लाइनों में इन्होंने अनरेस्ट डिजायर कविता लिखी है. 37 in which order does K and Daruwala's poem The Unrest of Desire appear in his collection of poems? Answer is at 13 number of the collection and 4 number of the section. 38 Ken Daruwala used many poetic symbols in his poetry. The unrest of desire choose an unused symbol. Answer is two birds. 39 however you bury the shadow in the heart. What does it mean in the line? Answer is remains of one's deeds. यानी किसी के कार्य को याद रखना है, स्मरण रखना है, अवशेष. 40 you can't erase the one. It will char your dreams. Answer is what does char mean in this line? Answer is shake and uproot. Shake and uproot. Or 41 the poem and the rest of desire the function of eyes are. Answer is expressing heard desire. 41 को हो जाएगा ये. 42 है which verse is used in the poem the unrest of desire for wild bull? Answer is Bison. आगे पढ़ेंगे. 43 है which verse is used in the poem The Unrest of Desire for Vern? Answer is Char. 44 which word is used for easy gate in the poem The Unrest of Desire? Answer is Loping. 45 in which poem K.N. Darubala depicts an epidemic like cholera? Answer is pestilence. 46 K.N. Darubala's poem graph reflects the themes of answer is both A and B, corruption B or dishonesty. 47 The evil of beggary is depicted by K.N. Daruwala in the poem The Beg. Answer is The Beggar. 48 which book is appreciated by Nazim Ezekiel written by Daruwala? Answer is Under Orion. 49 है K.N. Daruwala received India's National Academy of Letters Award in 1984. आंसर ये हो जाएगा 1984. 51 K.N. Darubala's poetical work Every Sun in April was published in answer is 1971. 52 K.N. Darubala's winter poems was published in 1980. Answer. 53 K.N. Darubala's The Keeper of the Dead was published in answer is 1982. 54 K.N. Darubala's poem Crossing of Rivers was published in 1985. 55 which poem of K.N. Darubala was published in 1995? Answer is Summer of Tigers. K.N. Darubala's poem Landscape was published in 56 October 1987. 57 K.N. Darubala's Night River poem was published in 2000. 58 which poem of Darubala was published in 2002. Answer is the map maker. 59. K.N. Daruwala's poem The Scarecrow and the Ghost was published in answer in 2004. 60. K.N. Daruwala joined the Indian Police Service IPS in answer in 1958. ये IPS से रह चुकी हैं. 61. This poem of K.N. Daruwala published in 1970. Answer is Under Orion. 62. The Ghagra in Speth poem is published in answer is K.N. Daruwala. 63. Who poem Kohaute is taken from the collection of poems by K.N. Daruwala. Answer is Crossing River. 64. The Old Man of the Sea is taken from K.N. Daruwala's collection poem Apparition in April. 65. Who wrote the poem Pilgrimage of Badrinath? Badrinath. Answer is K.N. Daruwala. 66. Who wrote the poem Before the Word? Answer is K.N. Daruwala. 67. The Unrest of Desire is taken from answer is the Keeper of the Dead. तो आज की वीडियो हम लोग यही समाप्त करते हैं. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को लाइक करें, जिस किसी को इसकी आवश्यकता हो वो उसे शेयर करें. धन्यवाद.